Good morning, Fixin family. Hope y'all are having a great day. Stopped in at a mobile station, picked up $60 worth of tickets. I was just going to get 3 of the cash explosions, so we got 47 through 49. Then I said, just one left, so we picked up the last one. So we played the last of the roll. There's ticket number 50. Picked up 3 of the Merry Money. We got tickets number 36 through 38, and picked up 1 super low 3 at ticket number 72. And in case you're wondering, it is 27 degrees and scratching below freezing today. I love the cold weather. It might be a little bit chilly today. All right, let's see what we can do on the Super Loteria. Hopefully my hands won't freeze up on me. Whoa, come on, scratch here. Really? Why is this not scratching? There we go. Wow. Tickets are frozen. The boar. The maracas. The mockingbird. Yeah, that cold front. Ooh, it came through last night. Got up this morning and wind chill said it felt like 11 here. All right, Lone Star. That's a little chilly for Texas. I know you guys up north are used to it, but we are not in Texas. Shoes. But the weather won't keep me down. I will keep scratching in the cold. Armadillo. See if the cold weather gives a nice wind though. Horse. That wind came through. Wow, we had gusts up to 50 miles an hour last night. Cowboy hat. Come on, let's get that horseshoe. There's a hen. Don't see a hen. Mr. Lizard. Where are you, Mr. Lizard? How about a covered wagon? There's covered wagon. Oil rig. Don't see an oil rig. Cactus. Hey, get that pecan tree. That would be nice. And cactus up top. Don't see it. All right, we got 6 spots. Sunset. And a bat. There's a bat. Fire. That would be nice right now. Mortar pestle. Don't see it down there. Come on, let's at least get that horseshoe. Roadrunner. Or the spear. All right, last chance. Saddle. Nothing but a tease, Super Loteria. All right, nothing on Super Loteria. Let's try the Merry Money. Still a little windy, but I got me a windbreak. All right. Ticket number 36, looking for 2 matching symbols to win $100. Go bar, bills. It's time we win something big on this ticket. All right, match win or 2 times or 5 times symbol. This ticket is really hit and miss. I tell you, you can go through a lot of losers in a row. So probably best just to pick up a few at a time. Boot. And there's at least a $150 winner in every pack. Scarf. And a candy cane. And drums. On drums. All right, nothing on 36. Ticket number 37. Got a piggy bank. Sun. Pineapple, diamond, anchor, and umbrella. Reindeer. Train. Gate. How about a multiplier? And a stocking. And a gift. All right. All right. Ticket number 38. Last one. See if we can't save a win. Come on, let's find that 50. Gingerbread man. There is a win. All right. Let's see if we can get something else. Stocking. Turkey. And candy cane. Nope, just going to be the gingerbread man. Let's see what's got. What do we got? We have got $5. We'll take it. All right, let's try the end of the roll on the cash explosion. Starting off, ticket number 47. And you know we've been searching for that 20 times symbol forever on this ticket. All right, match win money bags, the auto win, or the 20 times symbol. Maybe today is the day. We got a 39, 8, 34, 5, 19, 24, 26. Oh, y'all hear Marmalade? Marmalade is inside. It's too cold for him. He is eager. We just actually got out here yesterday, all of us. And he's eager to see his new chicken coop. I'll try to get some video of him checking out his little Marmie's new castle. But I told him I'd at least like it to be above freezing before he goes out and checks it out. He is a Buff Orpington, and Buff Orpingtons are cold weathered chickens. So probably would be okay, but we take extra good care of Marmalade. 32, 27, 33, nothing on 47. Ticket number 48. Y'all haven't heard Marmalade in forever. Hope y'all can hear him. All right, 16, 19, 18, 7, 6, 3, 38. He will definitely wake you up in the morning. Hey, win 1919. All right. Let's get something else. Hey, we've got 2 matches. That's a good start. We've had double 50s before. Let's see if we get anything else. 29, 28, 24. There's a 4, 22, 34, 10, 33. All right, last row. Let's get something else. And a 9. All right, just 19 and 18. We've got a $25, $50 winner. Awesome, awesome. 55. Well, we are almost at a break-even session. We got 2 tickets left. We can just find a break-even. We'll have a profit today. That's great. Marmie brought me good luck. 11, 32, 16, 33, 21, 10, and a 13. Let's see if we can't go back to back. On 20 times. I can't believe that symbol has eluded me since this ticket has come out. All right, let's see if it was smart to buy this very last ticket. I'm never going to leave one hanging. I have to get the last ticket in the pack if it's just sitting there. All right, ticket number 50. Let's see if we can close out this session with a win and some profit. We got a 29-3, my lucky number 23, lucky number 1, 14-6, 22, 40, 25, 27. Let's find some money bags. All right, last row. We got a 9, 28, 26, 7, 24. Nothing on that last ticket. We had to give it a shot, though. Hey, we got back $55 and that beautiful $50 winner on $200 million cash explosion. Guys, hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a great lucky rest of your day, and we'll talk to you later.